How do I use client accounts? The client account in Encore is useful to collect and redeem deposits, as well as a way for a customer to carry a tab to be able to track if a customer owes an amount to be paid to your business later. First, we will need to enable client accounts. Go to System Setup. Click on the Client tab. Click on Client Accounts. Turn on the slider that says Enable Client Accounts. If you would like the account feature turned on for all new customers, check off Automatically Enable Accounts when adding new clients. Use the buttons here to turn accounts on or off for all existing customers. In this example, we will turn accounts on for all existing customers using the Enable All Accounts button. You will need to set a maximum balance. This will limit the amount a customer can owe on their account. It will not limit account credit amounts. Lastly, choose if you want the client's account details to pop up. You can choose to Never Show, Always Show, Show if account has credit, or Show if balance is owing. You can then choose to display the pop-up when opening the sales screen, as they are paying on the payment screen, and/or when booking an appointment on the appointment book. Click Save when done. Now that the accounts are turned on, we will do 2 example invoices. Go to the sales screen. Create a new invoice. First, we will show how to put through a deposit that the customer is going to prepay for. Choose the customer to start creating their invoice. To process a deposit payment, click the 3-dot icon and select Add Payment. Here, you will see their maximum account balance that we set earlier. Enter the amount the customer will be paying onto their account. Enter a note detailing why the account payment is being made in the description field. Click Add Payment. Click on Pay. Choose the method of payment the customer is using and add the payment. Finish the invoice. Once the invoice has been finished, you will be able to see their account credit in the client's area under Details. You will either see an amount owing with a red label or an account credit with a green label and a negative value at the bottom of the screen. In this case, we see an account credit. Next, we will walk through how to redeem an account credit. We will go back to Sales and create another invoice for the same customer. We will see a pop-up displaying their account credit. Add what they are purchasing to the invoice and click Pay when done. Choose Account as the payment type. The amount owing on the invoice will automatically be filled into the amount box. Type a description for the payment and click Add Payment. Click Add Payment. Click Finish to complete the invoice. Once the invoice has been finished, you will be able to see the change to their account balance in the client's area under Details. Their account balance is now 0 because we redeemed their credit. Lastly, we will go over how to manually override the customer's account balance. Please note that if you need to fix an account balance or credit amount, you can edit the original invoice where the account payment or credit was added. This creates a clear paper trail of what happened. You can use this manual method to correct certain errors or to award or donate credits. Type in the balance field what you would like to set the balance to. Use a positive number if they owe you money, or a negative number if you are giving them a credit. Click Save. We have now finished going over client accounts. Thanks for watching.